When it's time to move out of a rental property, one big question always comes up. Are tenants responsible for cleaning before they leave? The short answer is yes, but there's more to it. In this video, we'll break down what's expected, what the law says, and how to protect your deposit with a proper cleanup. Start by reviewing your lease agreement. It usually includes cleaning expectations. You may be required to return the unit in its original condition, minus normal wear and tear. Most leases call for trash removal, carpet cleaning, and deep cleaning of kitchens and bathrooms. It's always best to double-check what's outlined in your specific contract. State and local laws matter too. In California, for example, tenants must leave the unit as clean as it was when they moved in. While landlords can set cleaning standards, they must comply with legal requirements. Understanding your local guidelines can help you avoid unnecessary penalties or disputes. So, what should you clean? In the kitchen, scrub appliances, wipe down cabinets and counters, and toss leftover food. In the bathroom, clean the sink, tub, and toilet, and remove any mold or mildew. And throughout the home, vacuum, dust baseboards and fans, and patch nail holes if needed. Pay extra attention to anything listed in your lease. Hiring a professional cleaner can be a smart move, especially for carpets or if you're short on time. Save all receipts in case your landlord asks for proof. After you move out, the landlord will inspect the unit and compare it to your move-in report. Documenting both move-in and move-out conditions can make all the difference. If you skip cleaning, you could lose part of your deposit. Landlords may deduct cleaning costs or even bill you for professional services. In more severe cases, failure to clean could be classified as damage. Don't let a messy exit cost you more than it should. Here are some final tips to make moving out easier. Start early and clean one room at a time. Use a move-out checklist to keep track of your progress. If you live with roommates, make sure everyone contributes to cleaning shared areas. Taking photos after you're done can help protect you from any unfair claims. Cleaning when moving out isn't just a chore, it's your responsibility and your chance to leave on good terms. Call Ryconn Property Management today at 866-960-8797 or visit us at ryconn.com for expert guidance and a stress-free move-out experience.